A recall has been issued for baby cough syrup sold over the counter. Kingston Pharma is recalling the 2 fluid-ounce bottles of Health Naturals baby cough syrup and mucus suppressant due to a potential bacteria contamination called Bacillus. The expiration date on that recall syrup is November 2020. The bacteria can make the infant sick, causing vomiting or diarrhea. Now, so far, no illnesses have been reported to the FDA. The product has been suspended until the FDA and the company discover and solve the source of that problem. If you have that cough syrup in your house, you're encouraged just to throw it away or return it to the store for a full refund.